rainfall coming into Atlantic Canada, but enough to put a little bit of a damper on plans outside if you are heading out and about this weekend. Taking a look at our radar and satellite, there is a system coming in from Ontario, and that is going to continue into New Brunswick, as well as we're seeing down south in Halifax. We're seeing a little bit of precipitation across the way in PEI, as well as over in Newfoundland. Now, we are continuing to track Hurricane Beryl. As you can see, it is going to be hitting as a Category 2 hurricane into the Yucatan Peninsula, heading over into the Gulf of Mexico. It depreciates into a tropical storm, and then it's supposed to pick up some speed as well, and it could turn back into a Hurricane 1 as it makes land at Mexico as well as Texas, and expect some precipitation throughout the week, or the beginning of next week, rather. But of course, we'll continue to keep an eye on the progression of this storm as we head into the weekend. Here locally, though, we are experiencing a little bit of precipitation coming through. Friday, we're going to see a little bit of a mixed bag throughout both New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island. Could see some as well in Lower Nova Scotia. Cape Breton should experience mainly sudden clouds today, but as we head into Saturday, well, that system continues to move in. It's going to be some lighter precipitation. It's not going to be a lot of accumulated precipitation, but it is something to consider if you are heading out and about this first full weekend of July. Taking a look at our forecast for today, a little bit cooler up in Edmundston and down in St. John, but we're looking at 29 in Woodstock and Fredericton. Again, at that chance of showers as well as thunderstorms this afternoon. Over on PEI, that risk of thunderstorms will continue into the afternoon, as well as those potential showers throughout the day. In Cape Breton, mainly a mix of sun and cloud. The winds coming southwest, 20 kilometers per hour. Fog patches should be clearing this morning. And in Nova Scotia, we're looking at 23 to 26. It's going to be a little bit cooler than that 22 in Halifax today. Again, with the winds as well as the precipitation coming in, we're already starting to experience that around the Yarmouth and Shelburne areas. And as we head over to Labrador, we're looking at a high of 24 in Happy Valley Goose Bay for today. Only 18 in Corner Brook, but a little bit warmer along the Atlantic coast. Again, chance of showers in that area as well. Weather specialist here in Atlantic Canada, and as we take a look at our radar and satellite on Friday, well, you're seeing some rain coming into the Maritimes. Yes, northern New Brunswick is going to see some scattered showers throughout the day, as well as that southwest corner in Nova Scotia. Heading into the evening, we're going to continue to see a little bit of spotty showers throughout New Brunswick. Could be recipe for some thunderstorms as well. That's going to continue into southwestern Nova Scotia as well, though Cape Breton is seeing that mix of sun and clouds, as is Prince Edward Island. As we head into tonight, well, some more spotty showers coming through, lower temperatures, and could see some fog developing as well overnight into the early hours of Saturday morning. What does that mean for Saturday? Well, it's going to be pretty much some rain across the board. We're going to see some scattered showers through New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island. The majority of the rain coming in to Nova Scotia. Into Sunday, again, it's going to be a little bit of that spotty rain throughout the day. So we're seeing some spotty rain in northern New Brunswick, rather, but that sun does come out in parts of New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island on Sunday. The majority of the rain is going to stay spotty in the southwest portion of Nova Scotia. For all your news and weather, go to ctvatlantic.ca.